Palazzo Dandolo, built in the 14th century as a private residence for the Dandolo family, which has 4 lodges in the Venetian Republic. And this is the first noble floor, or the most important floor in the building. This is also where you have the most important rooms. In particular, the Doge Dandolo Royal Suite, which was a room which was used for the film of guests.
So this one, right?
Yes.
Wow. Beautiful. So tourist was made there,
Yes.
and Rialto Bridge could be downstairs.
Exactly. Next to the train station.
It was long time, 1 month, 2 months,
1 month.
1 month. But Jolie lives not there, in Palazzino G.
In Palazzina G was Johnny Depp.
Johnny there.
Yes,
she's
they didn't stay together because they didn't have really good feeling together. I think you also see it in the movie that they don't have good chemistry.
I worked there
How big is the suite?
150 square meters.
So royal suite.
Yes. And it can be combined with 4 other rooms to become a 5-bedroom apartment, all overlooking the lagoon. So 2 suites on either side and 3 bedrooms in the middle.
But where is the bedroom? Where is Angelina Jolie sleep?
Oh, she didn't sleep in the hotel.
No, in film.
In the film, actually, the bedroom was at the Pisani Moretta, where they recreated part of the suite. So, the bedroom with an original fresco from the 17th century. From a Venetian painter called Jacopo Guarana, who was from the school of Tiepolo. So the guest bathroom through here, and you saw already the main bathroom,
I already been there. The bathroom and
the walk-in closet. One main bedroom, and then through the door next to the window.
Чего? Молчи.